Welcome back, 99 family. Thank you all for joining for another video. On this channel, we talk about professional development, personal finance, and business finance. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get all of our upcoming videos. If you're returning, please don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions. Today, we're going to talk about something that is not commonly talked about or thought of when you're thinking of rebuilding your credit. And that is rebuilding your credit utilizing store cards that transition into Visa, MasterCard, or American Express cards. So, the cards that I chose today, out of these 8 cards, 7 of them are issued by Synchrony Bank. So Synchrony Bank is known to be a bank that gives rather lenient lending techniques and strategies. Therefore, you usually get a higher limit with them when you request a credit line increase. They're also known to lend to people more along those lines of fair and subprime credit, rather than only lending out to those who have prime or super prime credit scores. So, the cards that I chose to use today, because I wanted to use some that are different from what I've seen other people release in their videos about store cards, were the Sam store card, where they have both a personal and a business version of the card. The card can be just a store card, or you can get it upgraded to a Visa. BJ's also offers a store card that can be upgraded into a Visa, in addition to these other stores. So PayPal is one that's commonly talked about, especially when people are looking towards building business credit, because PayPal has many business lending products. For Amazon, you have to make sure that you're applying for the Synchrony card if you want to use the store card to build credit to later transition into a Visa card. They do also offer a Visa card through Chase Bank and a American Express card. So you just have to be rather careful when applying for the Amazon card to make sure that you're applying for the correct card. BP has a great offer currently where they're actually giving 30 cents back per gallon for your first month with having the card. So with gas here being $1.85 a gallon, that brings you down to $1.55 a gallon, which is just something that you can't beat. You have Dick's Sporting Goods. So if you're into hunting, if you're into sports, if you're into anything personal fitness, that would be the place to go. They also sell like airsoft products, trampolines, different things along that line. Macy's is their card actually has a tier system, and you can, depending on how much money you spend in their stores, you get tiered rewards back. And their card actually is partnered with American Express. And then last but not least is the Banana Republic card. They're also a clothing store, and their card can also be used in other stores within their network. So like Old Navy and things along that line. But the main thing is these cards are cards that you can get when you first start building your credit. And as your credit score increases, you can increase these limits, which will lower your utilization, as well as offering you the option to eventually transition them into a Visa, a MasterCard, or an American Express card, where you're able to use them outside of those stores. And I find that all of these stores are rather common stores that you may shop in anyway, as I don't like to recommend you just go and get a store card for a store that you don't regularly shop at, as if you ever do need to show utilization, you wouldn't want to be locked into going into that particular store to shop. So, Amazon being one of those that's common for most people. PayPal if you use eBay. BJ's and Sam's are wholesale clubs where you could buy groceries. Dick's Sporting Goods as far as for those that are more athletic or outdoorsy. BP being a gas station. Everyone pretty much has a vehicle that takes gas. Sorry for my Tesla people. And then you have Banana Republic and Macy's, where you could always go in there and find some nice clothes or something else to wear, spoil yourself for that one time. But that's pretty much it for this video. Again, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.